4:15. It's about a 2-hour 20-minute journey from where we came from, and we're going to a place called, what's it called?
We're going to Pinic Point Campground.
Alright guys, so just past Yay, and we're traveling through these hills right here, but it's so gorgeous, like the landscape here. It's very dry, but there's quite a lot of tall hills, as you can see in the distance there. So we're just driving through Mansfield at the moment, and it's like one of those small towns. I think I got a lot of people and stuff, but it's no way near just like a small 12 towns, like kind of big. So guys, we just arrived at Pinic Point Campground. As you can see, you can pan around, but there's a couple of drunk people over there. We don't really want to camp near them. We've got a caravan which took the best spot over there, and we're kind of on this cliffside here. And probably just going to set up and eat some food right now. But like looking at the lake, you guys want to have a look at the lake?
There's a river.
Oh, the river. So what river was it, Ness?
Goulburn River?
So this is apparently Goulburn River, but it's really dry.
I think that leads to Lake Eldon.
Yeah, so it leads to Lake Eldon when they combine somewhere, and probably some way off there. Yeah.
That's the aqua bag.
Yeah, we could put it in there. Alright guys, so we've set up our tent right over there, guys, and we've just cooked our food today. So we're having what? Some noodle?
The noodles in here,
and
chicken, eggs, and
also, which I might do a video later on how to build this stove, guys, but it's a rocket stove using some sticks. I already cooked some eggs on there, and I'm cooking some steak. Alright guys, we're just going to boil some water and about to have some hot chocolates before heading off to bed. Probably watch a movie as well, as there's pretty good internet around here. I hope you guys can see these crazy people, but they were drunk and they were dancing on their car, and now they're bloody like in the valley where there's a stream of water, but they got stuck before, but they just keep on going. Like, I don't know why, they're kind of weird. But anyways guys, that's I think they have a Hilux as well. Where are these guys going? Okay guys, so I'm just gonna give you some clues as to how to use a rocket stove, and this is a homemade one. As you can see, it has a spout that goes that way there in the bottom of the stove, and then it's made from Milo cans, and then on the top, that's obviously where the flame is, and the fire or the wood's in there, in that hole there. And basically the best way to use it is to turn this knob or this spout towards the wind direction initially, and that will help the fire stay really hot, and help the wind give oxygen to all the wood and that kind of thing. And literally it only took me like 1 minute to light this up and to keep it lighted.
pretty much some steak fat as our bait for today. That's our storage system. So we just got these Titan drawers recently.
Want to wash your hands?
They've been so handy. We used to have only a one drawer in our car and everything was just so messy. Way deeper is part of it.
Alright guys, so we're just exploring the Goulburn Valley / river right now, and like there's tracks everywhere. We just decided to go down and have a look at the water and going to try a bit of fishing. Looks like it's going to be good here. A lot of dead trees and interesting landscape. You can see that.
That's just a bit further up from our campground, another part of the campground that seems to be better for fishing. So we're going to try here.
Yep. Interesting. Oh, there's a caravan down there.
They can.
Control this area.
Yeah.
To be totally honest, they don't care.
No one cares.
It's more like a free roam, like do what the hell you want kind of place.
People there on a kayak. There you go, down here.
There you go. This one got one. They're very, very good. Hi guys, so right now we just are exploring the Goulburn River Valley, and it's really cool because there's a lot of people like basically camping right next to the water.